Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. What the hell am I doing this for? Lying here on my bedroom floor, finding peace in the memories of you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine.
Hello, people. Let's get international greeting out the way, and then we can have a quick chat about this. Hola, aloha, cha, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yagamastama, здравствуйте, привет, buna, dzień dobry, sziasztok. Hello, Sincha, Yabosio, Teresa, Walaikum Sasaka, Marhaban, Merhaba, Habiri, Shalom, and Namaskar. Welcome, my name is Brunel. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that you guys are all happy and safe, and everyone you know, your loved ones, everyone's really happy. So this is the Freetress Equal Synthetic Deep Hand-Tied Lace Part Wig in a style natural set L, and I've got it in the color 1B. Now, this 1B does look a lot darker than the 1B on the stock card. I was debating initially whether to get the grey back. I changed my mind. The grey itself did not have the grey roots, and dark roots, and that was a no. I bought mine from wiget.co.uk. As usual, the link will be in the description bar if you are interested. And I love shopping them because you can collect points and build them up so you can use them towards your purchase. Also, as you saw at the beginning of the video, I showed you the card. If you tag them on Instagram, they will be able to send you a £5 voucher code as well when you purchase your item, so you can use that as well for your next purchase. So it is great, and I've been able to use my my points towards getting money off, which is always good because your lady loves a bargain since she can't stop spending. Back about this wig here. So what else do I need to well, vibrant and blah blah whatever. It's got kind of a natural textured hair to make it look more like your hair. The parting is a thing of beauty. I mean, look at the parting. Yes, 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 love it, 5-inch deep. And also the lace itself, as you saw, the usual 2 combs. I never ever use any of the combs. I hate them. When I take this off, I'm going to be cutting the combs off, but I've got them in place at the moment. They're just kind of like all gripping to the hair and then kind of pull my hair, and I don't do any of that. So but it's got the combs on either side, with very awkward, and then it's got the one comb at the back as per usual construction. You don't need to chop the lace off. It already comes already cut for you. Perfect for people like me who are lazy and proud. I am lazy. I want the wig to look fantastic, but I want to put absolute minimum effort but maximum impact, as you can see. I love the actual bang here as well. You have to obviously keep finger combing around here because there's a little bit of bounce and it kind of turns the wrong way. But yeah, I'm still very happy with it. And I love the length. I'm not into super long wigs, not that often because I'm fairly short, and then it just looks a bit not quite right. But I've also found out recently that super short wigs where my around here and all that, they're not necessarily good for me either. But I absolutely love this. I like the fact that it's not shiny. Maybe it might look a bit more shiny at your end, but from my end, it doesn't look that really synthetic shiny look. And yeah, it is small head friendly because I've got a tiny head, by the way. And I did not even adjust the actual strap at the back. I just left it as it is. It does feel kind of snug, but as usual, you can always adjust the strap. But this is more small head friendly. I think if you've got a little bit more circumference, then you might struggle a little bit. It might be a bit too snug and uncomfortable. But I think that's it, really. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? Oh, the bang. Thank you. Stay safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already, if I haven't said that. And yeah, you guys will see me very soon, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, do ask, and links will be below, people. Now I'm going to take me and my new glorious wig and go food shopping. Bye, people.